Hi everyone. So we're going to talk about your stitch quality now. When you're sewing certain materials, maybe it's a bit thicker, maybe it's a bit thinner, maybe it's a different kind of thread, but sometimes the stitch quality is not very good. And what I mean by that is, if you actually look at the stitch, there's sometimes you can see the actual loops are kind of loose on the top, or they can be kind of loose at the bottom. So if you look at the illustration here, you'll see the loops are basically locked right in the center and really snug to both sides of the material. Now, if you look at B, you'll see that the loop is actually at the very top. So this means that the thread tensioner needs to be turned clockwise. Vice versa, you can actually tighten the tension of the bobbin when you're actually winding it. So the illustration number 1 there on the right shows the actual bobbin, that you would turn it in or clockwise to tighten up the tension. And so also in illustration C, you can see that the loop is down at the bottom. So again, not a strong stitch. You're going to want to turn the tensioner clockwise, or vice versa. You can take the bobbin before you're winding it and loosen it up a bit. So this also shows the two sewing machines we have. They're all pretty much the same. You take your main tensioner and you're going to turn it clockwise to tighten it up. If you're getting a loop at the bottom, you're going to do counterclockwise if you're getting the loop at the top. So the main tensioner counterclockwise if the loop's loose at the top, clockwise if the loop's loose at the bottom. So also you want to make sure you're using the proper thread with the proper needle for each machine. You can refer to the tension and needle PDF right where you found this video, and you'll see this information there on what correct needle and thread thickness you can use. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you next time.